Everyone, we are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave, and long time no see. Today's video, I want to talk about the strategy quant software and the Black Friday deal they're having from November 20th to November 26th. A lot of people want to buy strategy quant software, but maybe it's out of their budget or they just want to get a bigger discount and so they can get started with it. Well, this time of the year during Black Friday this week, they offer the steepest discounts, but then you can also use this coupon code Black Friday deal for an additional discount, and you can get it at the best price. And so you can get started. And they have tons of free lessons and free resources for you to go through and learn about strategy quant software and how to use it. But also you can go to my website, nononsensetrader.com, and I have lessons from 1 to 20 that you can go through to get started as quickly as possible. I will leave some of this info that I'm talking about down in the description below, and we will see you more in the next videos. I will start making some more videos again, and I appreciate you guys watching and all the new subscribers that subscribed. I will show you everything that I've learned since my last video, and keep it going with you guys. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.